Alright, here's the shifter rod. First there is a C-clip right here. You pull this rubber boot back here, and then it exposes this C-clip. If you look from the top of the engine, you can see it, but you can just kind of poke it out of the way with flathead screwdriver. Just gonna work the screwdriver up under here and pop it loose. Watch your eyes. Alright. Got him. Alright, here's a trick for you. I just learned it from another YouTube video. I had not tried this before, but a lot of people have a ton of trouble with this pin. So, I'll link to that video in the description just to give him credit, but basically you get some vice grips and you get a bolt that's the exact same size as that pin and hole. I just got this out of my bolt, just my spare bolts bin. And then you just give it a good whack with a heavy hammer. So I'm going to use my little 2-pound sledge. This keeps my fingers out of the way, and it lets me get some good hits on this. Hopefully it'll just bump right out. Oh my goodness. That worked better than I could have ever hoped. Just pop the pin right out. Alright, we're free. Pushing it into gear. Let's see if we can do this. Don't move. Alright, there we go. Looks like we're lined up pretty well right there. Now I'll grab the pin. See if I can tap it in place. Remember our tool from earlier. Let's see if that'll help us out. It's about flush on both sides. And now I'll put the C-clip back on. Make sure that thing doesn't pop out while you're driving. C-clips on. Also try not to poke holes in the boot with your screwdriver. There we go.